Hey guys, so I was looking on how you can reset the Amana dryer. It's super simple. All you have to do is just like unplug the dryer from the power outlet, and you just want to wait for like 5 to 10 minutes. You can also turn it off out of circuit breaker, and then after those 10 minutes just plug it back in, and this is how you're going to reset it. I don't know if it's going to actually fix the issue that you have with it, but this is how you can possibly reset it to your thing, so it's going to work out for you. So test it out, try it out. And have a great day and goodbye.